Hello everyone, welcome to HardReset channel. In today's video I wanted to show you how to add or remove your Google account in OPPO Find X7. So first, open settings, then scroll until you see system and update, and click on Google settings. Now click on Google once again, and here click sign in to your Google account. Now here, put your email or phone number, and now if you put your email or phone number, now you need to enter your password. And now click on next. Now who will be using this device? Choose the option that suits you. Now click next. Click on I agree. And now here click accept. As you can see, now we are logged on our Google account. And if you want to remove it, then simply go to Google once again, click on manage your Google account. And here, click manage accounts on this device, click on this account, and then click three dots and remove account. Now click remove account once again, now click OK, and now you need to verify that it's you. And now, the account is gone. Thank you guys for watching, make sure to like, subscribe, and see you in the next tutorial. Bye.